Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how insert cube symbol in Word. We start by opening Word, where we will write our base and exponent cubed in the normal way. After that, we select only the number 3 and then click on the superscript icon. We will do this with all the elements where we want to apply it, and we will have the cubed expression. We can also go to the Insert menu and click on the equation icon. Here we display the index option and select the exponent model. Finally, we can click on the equation boxes and edit them with our data to create the cubed exponent. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.